Hi, my name is Andrew Kinney. I'm an attorney at Hoglund Law Offices, and I practice Social Security disability law. Today I wanted to be able to talk about DLI, or Date Last Insured. Sometimes the clients that we help have good questions about what the Date Last Insured is, and it is extremely important in Social Security disability cases. So first I'll start with, what is DLI, or Date Last Insured? When people work at a job for a number of years, they're not only getting their paycheck, but they're also paying into the disability insurance system, the federal disability insurance program that we're talking about here, Social Security disability. When someone stops working, they stop paying in to the system. And so eventually when someone stops paying their premiums, they're not insured anymore. That is the date when they're last insured for disability insurance benefits. So if we were to look at this as an analogy, if someone is paying car payments and they pay every month and they stop paying car payments, eventually you're not insured if you get in a car accident. Same idea here. If you work and stop working, eventually, roughly 5 years after you stop regular work, but it can vary, when you stop working, you're eventually not covered, and you have to prove you're unable to work on or before that date last insured date. So that's what date last insured is. It comes from your earnings record and how many quarters of coverage you earn, up to 4 per year. It gets kind of technical, but it's automatically figured out for your Social Security claim. It's very important for an attorney, and I'll explain now how it applies to you. With a Social Security disability claim, one of the first things that all of our attorneys look at is, what is your date last insured? Sometimes it's in the future, and sometimes it's not. If it's in the future, it's not an issue. If it's in the past, it's a very big issue. Then what we would do in your particular case is look to see, was your condition disabling under the law on or before that date? So let's say that someone stopped working in 2005 and their date last insured was December 31st of 2010, roughly 5 years later. Let's say that that person had a car accident January 1st the following year. If someone's disabled by that car accident, you're not insured because you weren't disabled before your date last insured. So the basic idea is when you have a Social Security disability claim, your date last insured is very important. So if you have questions about your case or specifically about your date last insured, feel free to call our offices at 1-855-513-HELP. That is 1-855-513-4357. You can also find helpful information at our website that you can see below. Thank you very much.